think you're gonna make it all the way down? Oh, you're out of here, buddy. Oh. Where'd that come from? Pretty hard.
Huh, maybe I might win something for once.
Let's see what else I got. Oh, that train is finally paying off. It's worth it.
Come on, dude! I'm gonna kill you next time!
Damn, that was impressive. I didn't think you were gonna do it.
Look at that.
I'm making a practice to eat cream twice a day.
Get through this. Can you take this thing seriously?
Oh, come in.
Don't worry. Who cares about winning?
Just twice the rollerblade.
I'll take that. I'm feeling nauseous.
Next time, I'm not letting you off so easy.
Damn, I can't believe you did it. Hey, check it out, man. It's my Carol. I heard he was in town. supper.
You tried that new chemical gum? Yeah, it tastes just like real chemicals. Yeah, dude, he said...
Yo, I am rolling. Yo, peep this out. That's the way to do it.
Hello? Hello? Man, don't you ever pick up? Whatever, man. Listen, it's time to shoot something for Lunatic Fringe. As the name implies, throw down something crazy, and Thrasher will run it.
Alright, man, this is pretty gnarly. Not bad, but oh yeah, dude. Yeah, that was sick. Now that'll work perfect for your Lunatic Fringe shoot.
Time to roll. Yo, that was buttery.
Hello. I have just returned from my first session with a qualified...
Hey man, I was just at the warehouse. Dude, the new boards are in. Your graphic looks so sick. You gotta go check it out.
And then he did 100 one-arm push-ups for $2. Actually, it's totally amazing. I have it outdoor clock foot fast. Okay, see you later.
Camera's on. We're rolling.
Damn it! You're just making it worse for yourself!
That was sick. Yo, keep it up, dude.
Yeah.
Rad.
Screw this
Hey,
noise!
dude,
It's
let's
break
get to a
time.
no-skate zone. Okay, I'm rolling. Got it. I'm rolling. You rolling? Roll. Come on, Wood. Yo, new tape in the camera. Let's fill it up. Damn. Yo, camera's on, so hit it. All right, here we go.
I'm making a practice to eat twice a day.
Yo, that is some tech-ass skating. Hell yeah. Damn, man, that one was fresh. Here we go. All right, I'm filming. Go.
Hello.
Yo, that was some good skating right there. Yo, you psyched on that one? Good. That one was fresh.
Yo, dude, who you paying off over at Thrasher? They want me to shoot a heads interview with you. You've definitely stoked the right people over there. Find me, and let's get it done. All right? Later.
Oh, how's it going? Dude, I've seen a lot of skaters. Yeah, no. There it is. All right, now we got something to work with.
Yo, it's your photo. Pick one. If you ain't feeling it, you could always do the challenge again. All right, peace out.
Remember the banana bar?
Sammy. Keep Freeway away from the grip tape.
Let's get some more coverage. Okay, I'm rolling. Wood. All right, rolling. And go. Oh, it's not all right. Camera's on. We're rolling. My man is getting tech. Get tech. I'm so amped on this right now. Let's check it. So that one's a keeper for sure. If you want, we can go get some more coverage. We're always gonna need that. But you know what might be better? We can go check out my man, Alex Chalmers. He's gonna be skating the CIY park. It's pretty sick. And here we go. Roll it. Yo, Ali Bilal will be proud on that one.
You ever seen Dill session these mani pads? He was talking. I knew it. You're a ringer.
You'll make this one fresh.
Whatever. So what's for dinner tonight anyway?
I'm rolling. Damn. Whoa, 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 whoa. You see that hairy animal right there? That's Chris Haslam. He does tricks that people still can't even conceive.
Hola, this is Cuz again. Yo.
Oh, this skateboarding's all about timed runs. So I'm gonna time you, and you start running. Go! Yeah, dog. That's what we're talking about.
Stretcher.
Yo, man, somebody buy Duffy a belt.
You're nothing but a nuisance.
Anyway, just bench pressed himself into first place. Loud. Duffy with some style takes first. You know something's going on when he's in first place. battery. Oh, that's smooth with the capital B. Yeah, buddy, yeah, buddy.
That was so sick.
Ah! Harsh! No!
Literally, I think
Oh,
that's
that's a serious owie. Battery!
Get that out
Oh, that's a beefy sled. That was sick. Yes. Time to turn it out. Yeah, that's right, that's right.
God, what was that?
Oh, no. Oh, dude, you got somebody to drive you home? Performing is verboten as of now.
That was pretty cool.
And we have a winner!
And way to come through in the jam.
Hey, hola, this is Mike calling. Yo, I was out skating yesterday and I found this super sweet spot, perfect for a sequence. And with all the hype you've been pulling lately, I know Thrasher would run for a content spread. Alright, holler at your boy. Peace.
This is a legendary sand van leg.
That was not the best I've seen. Yes, no.
Nice! You impressed me!
Yo, it's your photo. Pick one. If you ain't feeling it, you could always do the challenge again. Dude, you and Mike are putting it down right now. Yo, we gotta get some coverage, but check this out.